Hello friends, welcome to Indulgence. In this channel we explore the delicious world of the South Indian dish called Idlis. Let's get into the episode. In this video I'm going to use one of my favorite snacks as the ingredient, which is sweet corn. I've always been a huge fan of the sweet corn. The best corn I've ever had was in Minnesota State Fair. The best corn. They would dip it in buckets of butter, and then they would just sprinkle some pepper on top of it, and they would give it to you. It is one of the best I've ever had. So if you're ever in Minnesota, definitely go to the State Fair and have corn. Disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion. I just liked it so much. Let's get into the video. First, boil some water in a pan. Add some salt. Once the water is boiling, add the corn kernels and let it cook for 5-10 minutes. So now we have the boiled corn. I wanted to make it in two different ways and see which one is better. One is adding a layer of the batter and then stuffing this corn and then putting a layer on top of that. And the second method was to mix the corn with the batter and then cooking that. And at this time you can just use this as is because it has the sweet corn flavor along with salt, or you can add any seasonings to make it taste better. We like spicy food, so I'm gonna add some chili powder to it and a little bit of garam masala, and I'm gonna mix it well. So yeah, I'm gonna add one portion of it to this batter and mix it. Then I'm gonna retain this for the second method. Alright, time to cook these.
Fifteen minutes later.
Alright, we have both the variants of the corn idlis, so let's go ahead and taste it. First, I'm tasting the variant where I mixed the masala corn into the batter. It's really nice. I like the texture, and the masala has spread into the batter really well. That's why the color is slightly different. So the idli overall is very flavorful. Alright, let's taste the one where I just added the corn on top. This tastes good as well. The only difference is I can still taste the idli, like the bare idli flavor, and the corn flavor separately. So like the edges where there's no corn, you can only taste the idli part. I personally like both, but since I like spicy food, I like the one where the masala has spread throughout the idli. So I like this way better than this one, but both of them taste really good. You folks try it at home as well and let me know in the comment section how it came for you. If you like these kind of videos, please like, share and subscribe, and also comment what other flavors that I could do in future videos. And see you in the next video. Take care.